Notice of embargo. A good thing it arrived after embargo. And people still uploaded stuff this morning before the
stuff all day.
Pixel 7 Pro. It's probably the boxes to this. That's what that is. That's that's all it's trolling. It's like, don't do that to me. It's like no surprise what color I'm getting now. I should have opened up this one first. Ah, there's a mirror. Team Pixel, that's really dusty. Google VIP Concierge. So this is fun. I'm glad I got the white one because that's my preference. Normally with unboxings you try to peel the film off first, but the film was attached to that, so there's no sensation for that. It's just, poof. I was really curious what it's going to be like next to, because I'm swapping over to this today when I can get a chance. Biggest thing is, like, I want a metal band and there's nothing available right now. Yeah, there's a second. Probably the larger size, we'll see. That's cool. I'm just gonna try it on, I'll set it up later.
Watch hanging.
Yeah. Tell me you wear a watch without telling me you wear. Yeah, this will fit.
Nice.
It still looks puny on me. So this band, it fits. It does. It's definitely, I need a metal band.
I think is that a silver watch?
Yeah, it's got a silver crown or whatever.
I bet a silver band would look sweet with that too. Black or silver.
I'm not mad at the white and black, but as far as I need a, I don't know, more masculine, beefier look. I mean, it's nice to have for when I know I'm going to be doing some activities. And to where like a metal band is going to get all nasty and sweaty. Like
Apple made those Milanese loops or whatever they are. I got a fake one of those because I didn't want to drop $300 on a band. But it was cool that you just pulled it through, magnetized it to wherever it went.
Let's do a little tour around it. This definitely feels like
a little speck on it.
The band or whatever, the bar goes all the way across this time. Like just a little bit different. Like it finishes this like a fluid piece right here. So I like that. Definitely looks a lot like what last year's stuff was like. Now, like just for comparison purposes.
Is that a third camera on the back?
Yeah, there's three lenses. So it's like I didn't do the iPhone 14 Pro Max because I wanted a size break. So we'll see how this is. So much lighter than what the iPhone is. Like the Max is definitely bigger, but I'm not going to show up to Camp Pixel with an iPhone. So I'll be making that switch today.
Nice.
That watch tan is awful, so let's put that back on. So charging cable, typical stuff. No brick, no one's doing the bricks anymore. Adapter, and I'll probably will need this in a little bit to do the transfer. The kicker will be eSIM.
Interesting.
I'm going to have to, my plan to see if it's seamless is I'm going to get everything transferred over to the new phone. Not transfer the eSIM until everything is set up. And then the way that I transferred the 13 Max to the 14 Pro, that's how I did it, was I set it all up, didn't transfer the number over or put the SIM, all that kind of stuff. And then I used the app with US Mobile and it was seamless. Like it took just a few minutes. So that's going to be my plan of action for this.
Does the Pixel have a SIM tray or is it eSIM only too?
Yeah, it's got a SIM tray.
Okay.
But it has eSIM support.
Gotcha.
Because